What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm with my friend over here, King Simba, and today we're gonna be doing
the ammo crate challenge. So an ammo crate challenge, to those that don't know what the ammo crate challenge is whatever ammo you get, that's the only weapons you get. So like if I get AR ammo, that I can only use AR. So yeah, let's get started. I'm freezing cold. Dude, I'm drinking cold water while the fan is on full push.
Alright, boys. Wait, we're really gonna go with it? No, that's horrible.
We'll check out a place by
Yeah, let's go here. Who's this?
One of my friends.
Bye bye. Night.
Okay. You gotta read.
I can't take him.
Put it private.
Fuck! I'm lagging.
You're really lagging.
Wait, can you hear me?
Hello?
Boys, I'm lagging. Fuck.
I like it how you're making a YouTube video and you have to restate curse. You're gonna get demonetized.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, I can hear you. Yes!
No.
No!
You know what is that?
Are you lagging?
Yeah, I'm 1000 beans.
You know what is that, Andres?
No?
Guess what is this? That's a big ammo crate
Oh
in the
my
first house.
Oh, why? Why in this video? Oh my.
Stop playing Fortnite. I lag.
I got AR, shotgun,
Yeah,
SMG,
it's my
and
internet.
rockets.
Honestly, you are taking my internet.
Look, a pistol.
Dude, I'm trying to make this freaking video. Please, stop lagging!
Andres,
What?
I'm lagging. Look at my internet.
You're taking away my internet.
you're really lagging.
Dude, I cannot even land.
Just make this video and then after that, the title should be Ammo Crate Challenge /
Lagging hard.
Worst video. Lagging hard.
Am I still recording? I'm still recording! Wait, I'm gonna land on the gun. What am I doing? No!
Look, come and find the ammo box. I got a large one. I already got my large
Oh,
one.
wait, what is this? Oh,
Are you lagging now?
I got SMG and AR.
That's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad.
I got everything
Alright, there we
except
go.
for
AR.
the sniper.
Yes, I'm not
I
lagging.
got a big ammo crate.
I know why I was lagging, because my brother was playing. So I get. Oh, I get it now. Where's the other dude? Go.
You know what to do in the end of the video.
What?
You know.
What? Go for a trick shot?
No.
And?
You forgot?
Yeah.
Never mind.
Yes, I keep getting AR.
Oh yeah, you can only loot one ammo crate and that's it.
I know. I know. I only looted one ammo crate, and I got SMG and AR. You can only use those guns, but I don't want this burst. And I keep getting AR ammo.
keep on getting more ammo, but the only weapons you can use is the AR and the
The SMG.
yeah.
Does pistol count?
Weapon?
Pistol counts, right?
What?
The pistols?
Yeah, pistols count.
Dang, there's a boat.
Where?
I don't know, I heard it. No, there's a shotgun right here. Sweet.
I already got one.
Wait, you got shotgun ammo? You're lucky.
Yeah.
Damn, boy, you think?
I got a full ammo crate, I'm saying. Come here.
You lucky. You're lying.
I'm not even capping. Look, I can keep on showing. I'll come and show you. Look, come.
Here.
Look, follow me.
I'm lagging again.
Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Right. Follow me, right? Look, I came to this house.
Okay.
I just went straight up. I didn't land there. I didn't land there. I landed. Yeah, I know. I didn't see that. I never loot that place. I only loot. I go for the top. I went here first. I went this part. So I checked under here to see if there's an ammo crate. So I went on top, and then I found this one. Cause it never like looting the bottom first.
Are you lying to me, you little shit? Get at it! One person. Oh, I got AA for him! What? I got laser.
Go shake him. Go shake him down.
I'm lagging. Fuck it.
Oh my gosh.
Look,
Mama had the good loot.
dude, this gonna want. No, I want scars. Wait, what AR do you had? I want an AR. I don't want this burst. I'll take it.
Na 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 na. Hey, helicopter's gone.
I'm done. Damn, boy, you stick.
Thank you.
What?
Because I'm a woman.
I'm not telling
I'm
you.
playing. I'm playing.
I'm not telling
I'm a boy.
No, he's a
I'm not
woman.
gay. I'm a boy. I'm not gay.
He's not gay, but he's lesbian.
No, I'm not. I'm not even a girl.
That's what you said.
What? I in my skin. Not my gender.
So you slowpoke mother
Asshole.
trucker. Imagine I just get sniped back.
Watch me do my edits.
Oh wait, the looters are gonna be here.
The what?
Looters.
What is a looter?
I don't know. They're like fake people. They're like bots, and they give you loot.
Mouters. I forgot mouters, something like that.
Helicopter, helicopter,
How do you
helicopter.
think? Shooting.
I see a helicopter. Wait, I'm trying to beam them. I have a launch pad, by the way. A bull's coming behind us. Watch out from behind.
I got you.
You might throw a ball explosive. Drum gun. I can't build. Oh! No! Bro, he's a fucking cheater. Even though they didn't get that much. I'm going under, boy. Na.
Cái anh chỉ đấy bà làm mát. Cái gì cái
Now I'm gonna die. Fuck it. Come on.
Get over.
Let's go. Yes! Let's go! I get to take the mythic drum gun, boy. And a scar for me. Let's go.
After this match, I have to go.
Okay. Even though I'm coming to beta, bye. Nothing.
That's what Johnson said. It's me?
Wait, are you even talking
Is it
to me
me?
or no?
Follow me.
Okay. I got a launch pad, by the way. So.
It's hurting because I'm sweating. Huh?
Oh. Alright. Look, the looters are right there.
Huh? I think so.
The looters are right there. You see them?
So.
The shark is right there. I don't want him to attack me. How am I gonna get across? The shark is gonna attack me. He's attacking me! Ow! No! Ah! He's coming! Ah!
Come to me.
Andres,
¿Qué?
chicos van here.
No! No, it's gonna, no! No, it's gonna happen to me. It's gonna happen to me. You fucking kidding me, man. Dude, I placed the launch pad right there. Fuck. I think we can still hit it. Will this do anything? I'm burning hot, boy. Hey, can you give me some of that blue juice? I'm feeling kind of thirsty. Oh, he's widen, man. You fucking asshole. You played the wrong side of the info. I barely made it. Did I miss anything, boy? Am I missing out of the party? Jesus! He gets the golden scars. Right here. No! We failed.
Alright, sorry YouTube video failed. We failed because I had to be pressured because I had to go to sleep. So yeah, tomorrow we try again, Andres, right?
Yes.
Andres?
I have my mic muted, guys.
Bye.
What an asshole. Okay?
Oh my god.
Okay, yeah, whatever you said. It's gonna be the end for the video. Because kind of feeling kind of thirsty, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, it's gonna be the end for the video. We're gonna wrap it up. Make sure to subscribe, like, and yeah. And my last video was kind of, and probably this one too,
He's
but
about to hit. He's about to hit.
okay.
10 more subs.